Report speech. Present by Maribel Rivera Vargas. Hello, Darnegi. How are you? Do you remember when we went out on Friday? Hello, Maribel. I am fine, thanks. I remember one outgoing time that had. Do you remember what Carlos said that day? No. What did he say? He said he was leaving the country to work far away. And did he say where he planned to go? His sister said that he is going to Argentina. There he has family to go to. Good for him. He is a very intelligent person. He will surely have an excellent job. Carlos asked me about you. If it went where you were. And that, what did he tell you for? He said he went to say goodbye to you. He appreciates you very much. I going to meet him. He's outgoing friend. I call him in a moment. Hey, how about we make him a faraway sur her LinkedIn? Link it. Yes, I think it's a good idea. So, he organized it and let you know. There will be few guests. He said he did like going out with people go generally speak to each other. Okay, he will be penned a hook